In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to play a live quiz game linked to Google Classroom and Google Meet. You'll have an engaging, interactive experience with your students or participants, enhancing your virtual teaching or meeting sessions. So let's dive right in. First, let's start with opening Google Meet. This is where the magic begins. If you're not familiar yet, Google Meet is a powerful tool for video meetings, enabling seamless communication and collaboration. Once you've navigated to Google Meet, you'll notice an icon at the top right of your screen, often referred to as the waffle icon due to its grid-like appearance. It's a gateway to various Google apps, making it a critical component in this process. Now click on that waffle icon, and within the options that unfold, find and click on the Chrome Web Store. This store is your one-stop destination for various extensions that can supercharge your Google experience, allowing you to add functionalities quickly and easily that might be missing otherwise. Once you are in the Chrome Web Store, use the search bar to type in quiz game. This action will return a selection of applications and extensions that suit a wide range of needs and preferences. Don't hesitate to explore the options available because each quiz game offers different features, themes, and types of interaction. Choose any quiz game that fits your requirements best. Consider factors such as user reviews, ratings, and functionality that align with your teaching style or meeting focus. After selecting a game, follow the instructions to add it to your browser. Most games will guide you through installation and setup, ensuring that you're fully equipped to start playing without any technical hitches. Once the quiz game is installed, take some time to familiarize yourself with its features and settings. Adjust any preferences like time limits, question types, or team play options to tailor the experience to your specific group. This preparation will ensure that both you and your participants have a smooth, enjoyable quiz session. As you engage in the game, remind your participants of the rules, the way points are awarded, and any etiquette you expect them to follow during the session. Use your platform's sharing screen feature to display the quiz, ensuring everyone sees the same content and can participate in real time. In this setting, you'll find that your virtual meetings or classroom sessions become much more dynamic and interactive. The quiz format can help to break the ice, build teamwork, and reinforce learning in a fun, competitive manner. And there you have it, a step-by-step guide to play a live quiz game linked directly to Google Classroom and Google Meet. Thank you for tuning in, and I hope this tutorial helps you create more engaging online interactions. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tips and tutorials. Until next time, keep those digital classrooms lively.